I don't know the song. Okay, you do the song for me one more time, and then I'll sing it, okay?
You're on the phone with your girlfriend, she's upset, she's going on about something that you said. She'll never get your story like I do. I'm in the room with the difficult, she's staying wild. I'm listening to a kind of music she doesn't like. She'll never get your humor like I do. She wears high heels, I wear sneakers. She's just hiding out, I'm on the bleachers, dreaming about the day when you wake up and find me what you're looking for. I've been here the whole time. If you can see that I'm the one who understands it, you deny, so why can't you see? You belong with me, you belong with me.